India's ambitious journey to become a global semiconductor powerhouse has encountered another hurdle. The Adani Group, led by billionaire Gautam Adani, has paused its discussions with Israel's Tower Semiconductor regarding a proposed $10 billion chip manufacturing project in Maharashtra. This project was envisioned to produce 80,000 wafers per month and create approximately 5,000 jobs, aligning with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision to establish India as a key player in the semiconductor industry. However, internal evaluations by Adani Group raise concerns about the project's strategic and commercial viability, particularly regarding domestic market demand. Sources indicate that Adani was also dissatisfied with Tower Semiconductor's limited financial commitment, seeking a more substantial investment alongside their technological expertise. While the talks are currently on hold, there's a possibility they may resume in the future. This development follows previous setbacks in India's semiconductor aspirations, such as the collapse of a $19.5 billion joint venture between Vedanta and Foxconn in 2023. Despite these challenges, the sector continues to see progress, with companies like Tata Group and US-based Micron investing in chip manufacturing and packaging facilities. India's semiconductor market is still in its nascent stages, contributing only 6.5% to global demand compared to the combined 54% from the US and China. As the nation navigates these complexities, the path to becoming a semiconductor hub remains a work in progress. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving story.